Greetings, people, but anyways, enjoy. The Disney Channel Throwback event being cancelled? Oh my gosh, this was one of the worst things to ever exist. I will give you the reasons why it was the worst things to ever happen. 1. In May, Disney Channel promised us their classics returning in June. People were excited to see Disney Channel original movies, Hannah Montana, The Sweet Life of Zack and Cody, That's So Raven, Jonas, and Sunny with a Chance returning to TV after not being on the air for years. But then, they completely fucked it up. After 1 week, they cancelled it on June 12 because of low ratings, and zero promotion, and yes, you guessed it, they replaced with more reruns of Big City Greens and Bluey, and you know what else? Wizards of Waverly Place and Witches were supposed to air on June 18, and Austin and Ally and the Double Teen Beach movies were supposed to air on June 25, but they fucked it up, and now, we have nothing to watch over the summer, nothing but that stupid Blue Dog and Farm Boy being so annoying, and do you know what else? It is the main reason why cable is dying. Now I cannot watch Shake It Up, Liv and Maddie, A&T Farm, Girl Meets World, Kim Possible, KC Undercover, and others. But anyways, I wish this never happened. Do you know who likes this event being cancelled? All characters from Bluey, Big City Greens, Miraculous, Tales of Ladybug and Cat Noir, and Kif. They think this event being cancelled is funny. Well, it's not. And you know who hates this event being cancelled? All characters from Austin and Ally, Good Luck Charlie, The Sweet Life on Deck, Jessie, Dog with a Blog, Wizards of Waverly Place, Shake It Up, Girl Meets World, A&T Farm, Liv and Maddie, and Witches and Teen Beach Movie and Teen Beach 2. They are furious at the Disney Channel schedule for canceling their throwback event, and as for all characters from Witches and Wizards of Waverly Place, they furious because we're supposed to air on June 18, but got cancelled due to low ratings, and as for all characters from Austin and Ally and Teen Beach Movie and Teen Beach 2, they also furious at Cricket Green and Bluey for taking over the schedule. And as for all characters from Good Luck Charlie, The Sweet Life on Deck, Jessie, Dog with a Blog, Wizards of Waverly Place, Shake It Up, Girl Meets World, A&T Farm, Liv and Maddie, they're gonna find who is responsible for canceling the throwback event. But anyways, so screw the Disney Channel throwback event being cancelled, and screw Disney Channel playing the same episodes of Bluey and Big City Greens as well. Grounded videos of Bluey and Big City Greens characters, Witches, Wizards of Waverly Place, Good Luck Charlie, The Sweet Life on Deck, Jessie, Dog with a Blog, Shake It Up, Girl Meets World, A&T Farm, Liv and Maddie, Austin and Ally and Teen Beach Movie, Teen Beach 2, Hannah Montana, The Sweet Life of Zack and Cody, That's So Raven, Jonas, and Sunny with a Chance, Girl Meets Popular, an episode from Girl Meets World, Shake It Up, Up, and Away, an episode from Shake It Up, Inf-A-N-T, an episode from A&T Farm, Charlie Shakes It Up, an episode from Good Luck Charlie, and Viral Ice Cream Loving Twins Get Sweet Surprise are all 50 million times better than the Disney Channel throwback event being cancelled. End of rant.